I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Morgan Slade. He is founder and CEO at CloudQuant's. Morgan, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Hi Judy, it's great to be here. Thank you.
Thank you. Now I'm looking forward to chatting, but before we get started, I just have a quick note to viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Morgan, tell me about CloudQuant.
CloudQuant is three things. A really great tech stack for integrating data sets into a data warehouse, data fabric and distribution to anybody with an internet connection anywhere on the planet. You can take data sets from anywhere, stored in any format, connect it with this data fabric, get access to it. The second thing it is a research team of veteran AI researchers who know how to find edge and find interesting information in the data sets. And finally, we're a data product and productization company. We take data asset owners, we help them productize their data and make it useful for people who use data.
All right, so Morgan, data size and scale has been exploding due to tech advances in the last 20 years. Are there any bottlenecks that are holding back the data industry?
Absolutely. If you think about it, technology has changed and made it so it's so inexpensive to store data that there's a temptation to almost store everything, digitize it, and put it on the cloud or on some distributed storage mechanism. That's nice, but not a lot of thought goes into how you store the data. And so what we have is really it's the equivalent of having crude oil everywhere, but no gasoline to drive your car.
Okay.
So we solve the problem of essentially taking that crude oil and turning it into something that you can put into your car. And so the bottlenecks are really getting the data in a format that can be used by an end user without the involvement of some internal data engineering team to transform it into that gasoline. We do that with our data sets in our data fabric. So we know that everything connected with our ecosystem is ready for research and ready to go.
All right, now what kind of companies benefit from your data technology and services?
So far, the company has been focused on the financial industry. So we help data asset owners, exchanges, front-end providers, people who own data, who want to find ways to monetize that data to help their clients. In addition, we work with institutional investors who are constantly looking for edge, trying to find a way to improve the performance of their investment returns.
All right, now you do work closely with data customers, data asset owners. Does this give you a unique position in the industry?
It does. We understand both sides of the challenges. We understand what interesting data looks like when it's in its most raw form. So in a way, we're constantly prospecting for new data sets, trying to find asset owners who are have a great opportunity to monetize their assets and generate additional revenue. But we also work with the consumer side of the equation. We have our own research team. We're doing the same things that our clients are doing with that data set. We're using AI to find special features and hidden value in the data, and we're productizing it. We're taking it all the way from raw data to information to knowledge and all the way to wisdom. And so in our space, we call that the sugar versus candy problem. We're solving that. Everybody who has data, it's just kind of like raw sugar. And while that's nice, you can only take so much of that, and it takes a lot of work to turn it into candy. And really, the data users actually want candy.
Okay, definitely want candy.
That's right, that's right.
All right, well, Morgan, it's wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thanks, Judy.